This is the results you can expect from using this dryer cleaning kit. Let me show you how easy it is to do. First, inspect your outside vent and see if there's a buildup of lint on the outside. Almost any outside vent I have seen always is loaded up with this light blue lint. Next, put together the brush and flexible rods. They all right-hand screw into each other, and so when you eventually turn on the drill clockwise to spin it, the rods and the brush will all hold together and just keep tightening down. Works great, and they do supply electrical tape to put over the connections as a backup, just so you don't have the brush stuck halfway down the pipe. And like I mentioned, if you only spin it clockwise, you will have no problems. So I ended up connecting 10 of the flexible rods, and I'm ready to put on the end piece that will fit in your drill for it to all work. Now just remove the cover and expose the hole that you will be spinning the brush into. And you can get a good look at what 15 years worth of dryer lint buildup looks like in this exhaust pipe. I first insert my brush into the hole just a little bit and then go back to the drill and start spinning it clockwise. The brush will crawl forward on its own, but you do have to push ever so slightly to keep it in line. If you feel any resistance, pull back on the brush and let it crawl forward again and see if it can pass through the area you are in, or if it is at the end of the line. Brush it back and forth a bit and pull it out to see how much lint you have in your pipes. It will just explode with dust when it comes out. Clean up the cover and around the pipes using a shop vac and you are good to go. Not only are you saving time it takes for your clothes to dry, you are also protecting your house from the hazard of a dryer lint fire.